Hi everyone! Welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete your Snapchat account. If you no longer want to use Snapchat and would like to deactivate and permanently remove your account, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app and tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Delete Account. You will be asked to verify your identity by entering your password. Type in your password and tap Continue. Once you do that, your Snapchat account will be deactivated and you will be signed out automatically. Keep in mind that Snapchat gives you a 30-day grace period after deactivation. During this time, your account can still be restored if you decide to come back. After the 30 days have passed, your Snapchat account and its associated data will be permanently deleted. If you change your mind before the 30-day period ends, simply log back into Snapchat using your username and password. And that's it. Now you know how to delete your Snapchat account.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!